Your claim is denied due to a pre-existing condition. That's a phrase that we hear frequently when seeking to have procedures or treatment covered by our healthcare group insurance, where in fact we did suffer from a pre-existing condition. If you have a workers' compensation claim, though, you need not worry about pre-existing conditions. Pre-existing conditions under the law of Illinois are covered by workers' compensation if you can establish that the injury that you suffered at work aggravated or accelerated that pre-existing condition in whole or in part. Therefore, even if you've had, let's say, degenerative arthritis that has flared up from time to time, occasionally been required to take medication to treat it, but then you suffer an injury at work that requires you to actually lose time from work or perhaps undergo surgery. Even if the pre-existing arthritis or degenerative condition contributed, if you can show that that work injury aggravated or accelerated that condition, your injury will be covered. Frequently, individuals do not assert their rights under the law based on the misconception that because they had had treatment to that body part in the past, it won't be covered if aggravated or accelerated by a new injury at work. That's not true. The law clearly provides for it. In fact, if you have a work-related injury and get treatment for it and lose time and obtain a settlement, if you sustain a new injury to that same body part, even if you've previously received a settlement, if it can be established that that injury aggravated or accelerated in whole or in part the condition, it too will be covered by workers' compensation, and you will be entitled to benefits all over again. Now, the question of whether or not a new injury did indeed aggravate or accelerate a pre-existing condition, or rather, all you're simply suffering with is the pre-existing condition, is a tricky question indeed. That's the kind of question that your doctor's expertise will play a role in answering. It's also the type of question that a lawyer skilled in understanding the law of pre-existing conditions in Illinois should be asking of your doctor. If you have a pre-existing condition and it's been aggravated or accelerated by an injury at work, worry not. You are still entitled to the benefits and protections provided by the Illinois Workers' Compensation Act.